What's up, everyone, and welcome back to GPLGold. My name is Leo, and this is the channel where we give you the golden key to premium WordPress plugins and themes, absolutely free. And today, we've hit the jackpot. Forget spending hundreds of dollars on a membership system. I'm going to show you how to download the incredible user registration plugin, plus all 21 of its Premium Pro add-ons, without spending a single dime, along with all of its premium extensions for free. This is the complete package: payments, content restriction, WooCommerce integration, everything. All right, let's break down the power you just unlocked. Here's the lightning round of what these 21 Pro add-ons do for you. Ready? Let's go! Advanced fields. Get Pro form fields like dates, phone numbers, and rich text. Conditional logic. Make your forms smart. Show or hide fields based on user answers. Content restriction. The core of memberships. Lock your premium content for members only. Field visibility. Control who sees what. Hide or show fields based on a user's role. File upload. Allow users to upload profile pictures, resumes, or any file you need. Geolocation. Automatically capture your users' location data like country and city. Import users. Easily import all your existing users from a single CSV file. LearnDash. Instantly enroll new members directly into your LearnDash courses. MailChimp and MailerLite. Automatically add new users to your email marketing lists. Multipart. Break long, intimidating forms into simple, easy-to-follow steps, and may more. You'll find the download link for all the files waiting for you in the description box below. If this video was helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you could leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more free resources.